All right, real quick Beaver Branch update. Welcome back. This is hole 8. I'll give you a before picture here in a minute. Mark Heverin came down with an 18-inch steel saw. And you can now see the basket, where before it was behind double logs here. Also the 16-inch Greenworks 40 volt, killing it out here. We're almost punching our way through here. Back there is the gold pin, so we got to cut all the rest of this out. The bridge has been saved by Scooter Crunch. So working our way down through here on hole 8. Update number 2 coming at you. Matt Tipping is the man. He came out here, shredded all this stuff up, clipped it up into all little pieces. 13 fairway is almost halfway cleared. Also, special shout out to Dad, Rick Moore, and as well as Scooter Crunch. I have no idea where they stashed all this debris, but again, came out here yesterday afternoon after going to the dentist, and Matt Tipping had been here for a couple hours and just completely shredded what was here. Again, I'll give you guys a before picture. We are almost punching through on this one. We had that kind of lake 13, and then right past it's the pin, and the pin is clear on that other side, so we don't have too much more to get done on 13 to knock it out. And this is the mystery hole, hole 9. And again, if you know the course, like over by hole 7 out by the horse pasture, there's pretty much like this huge fairway up top, like a Simon Lizotte Eagle McMahon crush line hyzer over top this thing, probably like a 700 foot 600 foot air shot. But anyway, nothing has been done here on that alternate pond, and kind of looking to punch through hole 8 to get to hole 9 and make it playable. But things are rolling here. Again, if you want to come down and help out, we're working most evenings, so send BMO a text, and hopefully the next update will have more stuff clear.